The sun paints the ocean canvas with hues of gold and rose, signaling the start of a new day in the underwater world. A pod of dolphins, sleek and graceful, stirs from their slumber. This is Echo, a young dolphin, full of curiosity and boundless energy. Play is woven into the very fabric of dolphin life. It's how they learn, bond, and express their joy. Echo chases after bubbles rising from the seafloor, her sleek body twisting and turning with effortless grace. Older dolphins engage in mock fights, testing their strength and agility. Suddenly, the ocean erupts with a symphony of splashes. The dolphins launch themselves into the air, performing breathtaking acrobatics. Echo, inspired by the older dolphins, attempts a daring flip, her body arcing against the bright sky. The playful mood shifts as hunger calls. The dolphins dive into the depths, using their remarkable gift of echolocation. Echo emits a series of clicks, the sound waves bouncing off. Schools of fish, painting a sonic picture of the underwater world in her mind. A series of whistles and clicks ripple through the water. It's the dolphin's language, a complex tapestry of sounds used to communicate everything from danger to joy. Echo exchanges whistles with her mother, strengthening their bond. The idyllic world is shattered by a sudden threat. A fishing net, invisible and deadly, drifts into their path. Echo's mother becomes entangled, her panicked cries echoing through the water. Echo and the other dolphins rally together, their bond of family driving them. They use their snouts to carefully nudge and tear at the net, working tirelessly to free their trapped companion. Finally, with a mighty tear, the net gives way. Echo's mother is free. The pod erupts in a chorus of joyous whistles and clicks, celebrating their reunion. As the sun sets, painting the sky with vibrant colors, the dolphins swim towards the horizon. They are resilient, intelligent, and deeply connected to their ocean home. Their future, however, hangs in the balance. The challenges are immense: pollution, habitat destruction, and the relentless pressure of human activities. But there is hope. By understanding these magnificent creatures, by protecting their fragile environment, we can ensure that Echo and her descendants continue to thrive in the ocean's playground for generations to come.